I have finished this long center section of the sashing with the Violet Vines design on Yvonne's quilt. And I'm going to move on to the vertical small sashings that are in this section. So let me show you what I'm going to do. I've already pulled up the bobbin thread right here, and I'm going to give that a little clip to remove it. I'm going to be moving up my side clamps so that I have tension going on the section that I'm going to be working, which is this long row right here, and I will end up tightening these so that I have the appropriate amount of tension. Once I get that done on both sides, of course, I will make sure that my back is nice and flat because we don't want any challenges there at all. I will then go through and tell the machine exactly how large each of these specific areas is. And I'm going to literally hit the little button here to determine exactly where this block is, how large it is, how much I want it to fill, the exact design of that section of the block. Now, I will go through and do that with every one of these sashings all the way across here. Over on the CAD screen, you can see this is the one that I have prepped just now. I will take the piece that's going to go into it. I will mark it as being unsewn, which will change it from the red sewn designation to the black not sewn yet. I will now move it down so it fits specifically within that boundary that I have created. And once that happens, and I'm going to go ahead and prep all of these the same way, then I will hit the start button and she'll be able to do the stitching in these vertical sections. So that's the next step that I move on. When I do custom, it does take a lot longer. As you can see, I need to go through, I need to designate each boundary. I need to make sure that every design that's going to go in there is fitting specifically within the boundary and move it from section to section. It's wonderful, it's very creative, and it's more time consuming. And it's so worth it, because if you want some wonderful custom design on a quilt as beautiful as this, go ahead and let's talk about it. Let's request it. Let's get moving forward on it, because you are going to be so happy with the end result. All right, she's going to get started. You have an amazing quilty day.